face masks have become one of the essential items for when we leave the house. So I've been taking a look at some of the more unusual ones. First up is Mask Phone. It's got built-in earphones and a microphone, so you can make phone calls without sounding muffled by your mask. I often catch up with friends whilst I'm out doing my exercise, so if I'm going to be wearing a mask, then of course I could wear separate earphones, but it was quite convenient to have them built in, and the person I called said I sounded good and not at all muffled. On a windier day, it may have helped with that too. But in terms of the fabric mask itself, great that it's machine washable and you just slip in an N95 filter. But personally, this isn't my chosen type of mask, and I thought it could do with being a bit longer so I could pull it further under my chin. Next up is AirPop's Active Plus Halo Smart Mask. A lot of people who wear single-use masks don't actually dispose of them after every use, and likewise a lot of people wearing masks that need the filters replacing aren't actually replacing the filters as often as they should. This mask has sensors inside this silver button that measure your breathing rate. The app then combines that with local air quality data to alert you when you need to replace the filter. Before putting in a new filter, you need to use the app to scan the QR code. That will both ensure that the filter is genuine and also make a note of when it's been put in. The mask itself feels very much like the 3D knit fabric of high-end trainers, so it's tough and it's breathable. Now, I'm told that it'll offer N99 protection, so that's greater than N95. It'll keep out aerosols, liquids and pollution. The app was only in beta when I tested it, but it accurately recorded how long I'd been wearing the mask. I personally found the mask itself a better fit than the Mask Phone one, and longer term the focus on this product is to protect you from poor air quality. That is of course a smaller mask wearing market, although it could be a growing one. Next up is UV Mask. Now, I was quite surprised by how bulky this mask was when it arrived, as it feels rather hefty to wear. But that's because inside it hides ultraviolet UVC LEDs. They aim to kill bacteria and viruses for up to 8 hours of wear. The company's assured me that the UVC is safe as it never reaches your skin, and also that the device doesn't create any ozone, so it's not going to be causing a problem for air quality. Now, when I first put the mask on, it was actually surprisingly comfortable. The only thing was that it does make a bit of sound, and I felt a little bit of air coming out here that was tickling my eyes. I was very conscious of all of that whilst I was indoors, but as soon as I went outside, I did stop noticing. At that point, it was just a matter of having to get used to wearing something so solid on my face, and there did come a point where I was quite relieved to take it off. And here's a prototype by gaming company Razer. Its Project Hazel mask was revealed at CES in January. Its see-through design features what it calls active ventilation to prevent CO2 build-up in the mask. It also has a microphone, and its charging case has UV light inside for sterilisation. For many, these ideas may be a bit of over-engineering, but if you're looking for a mask with a difference and you're willing to pay for it, then one of these might just appeal.